Hello everyone, my name is Michael. I'm presenting suiequi, which is an extension of Fusion Plus cross-chain atomic swaps to Sui. So I deployed on testnet and as well on Sepolia the iterations of the existing contracts. So let me show you first going from Sepolia to Sui. So we input an amount of USDT and then we, normally there will be an approval here, but I've already approved to the limit order protocol for spending. So we just go directly to the gasless signature. We click over that. And this gets sent through the custom relayer that I built into the resolvers, and we'll create the EVM escrow and then the Sui escrow as well. Here are the transactions, so just to show you, follows the same pattern as the existing, right? So deploy to the source side, you send in the security deposit and as well the value to be transferred, and then on Sui as well. The changes to the balances, as you can see here, and then the withdrawals. The escrow seeker got sent in between the deposits and the withdrawals to the relayer, and so these escrow objects got created on both the Sui side and on the EVM side. So yeah, Sui natively has object creation. I'll go over that in a minute. Essentially, it's a way of isolating assets and the deposits in a factory-like pattern. Now I'm going to go over from the Sui side of things to EVM. Maker will sign over make a gasless signature over the transaction data, which will then have gas spent by the resolver. So gasless signature, and we'll wait for the same process on this side of things. So there will be the Sui object, escrow object that gets created, and then the Sepolia escrow contract that gets deployed. So yeah, here are the balance changes to be made. And so as you can see, the maker on Sui will lose 500 tether and gain it on the EVM side. The secret rather got sent to the resolvers in this time period, and you get the transactions. So let me show you really quick how the contract works. So we have here, we have different functions for deposit on the source chain, which just goes over the same things, creating the time lock and as well taking in the hash for the hash lock functionality. And so the sponsor is directly read from the transaction context to be created into this escrow object where the coin is stored as well. So the coin is part of the object, and then this makes it easier for more segmented, almost like the factory pattern where the escrow itself separates the funds, the safety deposit and the escrow funds. And as well on the destination side, we have the same escrow object that gets created. And and so then we have the withdraw functionality. We have both destination and source side. We have the cancel function for the time lock side of things. So thank you very much for listening. I'd love to present further.